Katrina with Champagne Counseling. For some families, summertime isn't all fun and carefree days. For some, it can mean stress, meltdowns, and up and down moods. This can be particularly true if your child or a child you love has ADHD. Kids with ADHD need all the things we know that are good for children anyway, just amplified. So today, if you love a child with ADHD, I'm going to tell you a few simple ways to make the summer more enjoyable for both of you. Number 1, keep a schedule. All kids need a predictable routine, but for kids with an ADHD diagnosis, this is even more important. You don't have to be super rigid about it, but things like healthy meals at regular times and a regular bedtime wake time go a long way. And also keeping routines for things like Tuesday is dinner at grandma's house, Wednesday is family game night, Thursday is taekwondo can be super helpful at helping children know what to expect and therefore staying emotionally regulated. No structure tends to mean trouble for a child who has issues with distraction and impulsivity. Number 2, visual reminders. If you have things you'd like your child to do or things that are expected of them, write it down. This can look like a list, a dry erase board, fun post-it notes, or my personal favorite, chalk markers on the bathroom mirror or refrigerator. Number 3, balance. For a lot of kids, summertime means extra screen time, but balancing the amount of time your child is using a screen with other things and then decreasing it slowly before they go back to school can make for an easier transition. And plus, when you're not in front of a screen as much, you can be outside more, and that's just good for everyone. My hope is that these few tips can give you and your child a leg up on summer stress. If you feel like you or your child need a little extra help navigating through things, however, please give us a call at 217-203-2008.